Hi. Well, if you came to morning Zoom on Monday, then this is the book that we read. So I'm going to do a video of it. I'm going to do a video of the one we did in afternoon Zoom too. So that way, if you came to one and not the other, you can see the other book. And if you didn't come to either Zoom, you can see both of the books. Here we go. Bear Snores On. It's by Karma Wilson, and the pictures are by Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Bears sleep all winter long. Sometimes I would think that I might like to sleep all winter long. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear sleeps on. An itty bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. Oh, that looks so much more cozy. Nice fire. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips and slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuff at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up. Cozy down and dig in." That's a very kind badger. And they nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night." "What a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear Achoo! Did that startle you, Sky? Lie down, baby. Lie down. Good girl. You stay there. He blows and he sneezes, a great sneeze, and the whole crowd freezes. Now what? They woke up the bear. This could be bad news. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh. This bear's not happy. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." Yeah, Sky, the bear's not happy. Not happy at all. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. What do you think of that, Sky? Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. That's the end of Bear Snores On. But these books, they're kind of cool. They've got another book at the end. This is a short book about animal habitats called Animal Homes. We are wild animals. We live in homes called habitats. Each habitat meets our different needs. Come see where we live. So this is a prairie dog. When I was a little girl, I used to live where there was prairie dogs. When I call out, it sounds like a bark. It does. I live in an underground burrow. There are different rooms and tunnels, and my family lives in a big prairie dog town. Yep, lots of prairie dog homes all in a valley, and they all talk to each other. They're very hard to sneak up on because they put out guards. Follow me into my rocky den. I hide behind rocks to stay safe from enemies or predators. My scaly skin matches my surroundings. Oh, so he camouflages himself. I shake my rattle when there's danger. Ooh, rattlesnakes. My home is in the warm ocean, the clownfish. A coral reef is the perfect habitat. There are many openings and cracks to hide in. I live with a sea animal called anemone. The anemones feed me and protect me. My home is called a lodge. It's a beaver. I build it with sticks and mud. The door to my home is under the water. My lodge keeps me warm during the winter. Our homes keep us warm during the winter. And there they are. Animals get what they want and need from their habitats. What is your habitat like? Do you live in a hole in the ground? Some places they do. There are places in Australia where that's how people build their houses. They work by digging very beautiful stones called opals out of the ground. And so while they're digging for opals, they just dig a house. And if they need another room, they just dig out another room. It's kind of a cool way to do things. Stays nice and cool under the ground there. Well, this week, let's do some work around what our houses are like, what our habitat is like. I'll send home some paper this week and we'll do another video on habitats. And you can tell me about your habitat. All right, see you next time.